Scholars, today we are going to put everything we have learned about arrays to the test by doing some of these word problems. They are multiplication problems, and it's not a test. I'm just saying we are going to put our skills to work, and we're going to make sure we can read these and think about how could we show them in a word, how could we show them with an array. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Melody stacked her blocks in 3 columns of 4. Okay, so we know 3 columns. Columns go up and down, 1, 2, 3 of 4. So that means there's going to be 4 blocks in each column. I'm going to make sure that just like when I do a normal word problem, I visualize first. So I see these are Melody's blocks. She has 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks in one of her columns, 4 blocks in the next column, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 blocks in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I just drew a picture with exactly what they described in the problem. How many blocks did Melody stack in all? It's asking me and saying the word in all. I can multiply or I can add the number over and over again with repeated addition to show how many blocks there are. Oh, we got this. All right, so I could go 4 times 3 because that's adding 4 3 times, or I can think of it as 4 plus 4 plus 4 more blocks. I can put the 4 and the 4 together, that makes 8 plus 4 more. Hey, we've been doing these facts in our sprints. That's 12. Then I have to write my whole complete sentence to go with my problem. Melody stacked, gotta use the words from the question. Melody stacked 12 blocks in all. And I'm excited because I think I got it right. I am going to ask you to go ahead and try these on your own today. I will not do another example because I think you are going to do so great already because we've been practicing them so much. There's one thing on the back here that I want to point out. This says to draw a tape diagram for each word problem. Write a repeated addition equation to match each tape diagram. I'm going to teach this to you, and you can try 5 and 6 as a challenge if you want to learn how to do a very useful tool called a tape diagram. Okay, so I encourage you to try this. A tape diagram looks kind of like a candy bar, okay, or like a really long piece of tape. So it's going to be like a rectangle like this. And a tape diagram is used to show parts and a whole. It's very helpful for multiplication. So I'll do this example for you. Mary placed stickers in columns of 4. Okay, there are columns of 4, so inside of each column there's 4. She made 5 columns. Okay, so I know I need to have 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns go up and down of 4 stickers. So that's 4 stickers. I'm just going to draw it out. 3, 4, 2 columns of 4, 3 columns of 4, 4 columns of 4, 5 columns of 4. How many stickers did she use? If I want to show this in a tape diagram, all I have to do is draw this very long rectangle, and I think of, okay, in each of these groups, because each column is a group, I have 4. So that means I have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4, 5 groups of 4. Okay, so in my tape diagram, these are my parts. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And then below it, I show my whole. Okay, I can do it a little bit at a time to make it more efficient. So I know 4 plus 4, that makes 8. 4 plus 4, that also makes 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And then I do 4 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So that's how I would show in a tape diagram. And then I said Mary How many stickers did she use? Mary used 20 stickers. Okay, do not forget to write that answer sentence telling your final answer in a complete sentence and putting it back into the situation and the problem. All right, I am excited to see what you can do today.